welcome back. I am so excited. Today we're going to make some food out of this 100% extra small mini clay kit. And this one is the macaroons, and it has everything in the picture: the little box, the table, the cup, the tea, and the clay. Let's go ahead, and I've already opened this to see what's inside, but we have our clay knife, our packet with everything in it, and then in here we have instructions and the little things for the tea set. So the menu, the doilies, the little tea, and we just cut those out and glue them on. It also comes with the instructions, and it's step by step showing you to cut out the pictures, fold and glue for the tea, how to make the macaroon box, and how to measure out the macaroons. Now, when I saw this, my first reaction was this would be absolutely perfect for Barbie. So let's go ahead and we'll just rip this right open. There's our different colored clay, and it is like model magic, so it will air dry. So there's our clay. Look at this tiny little table. How cute is this? With our little doily that goes on top, our little carpet, I'm assuming that's what that is. Yes, it goes underneath. And in here, we have, let's get it all out, the little macaroon box. Look how tiny that is. It's perfect for Barbie. A little teacup and plate, and of course for the tea, the string. So let's get started, and we're going to start by cutting these out. So we'll cut nice along the lines here, as neat as you can. Perfect. Let's go. Da, 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 da. And the first thing we have is our little menu. Okay, cut those out of the way. There we go. Let's get rid of that and fold it in half. And inside the menu actually lists the different teas. Barbie is going to love this little tea party. So let's fold our little menu, and there we go. There's our little menu. Let's do our little macaroon box. So it says to fold it. Can you see there's little lines there? And we are going to need glue to glue these together. So we are just going to fold along the lines, and this is going to create a cute little macaroon box. Okay, so we will fold along all the little lines. There we go. One here and one there, and then these little tabs are supposed to fold in. So we'll fold that one, and we'll fold this one. How cute. Look at how tiny that little box is. We're gonna fold these little edges up, these little edges down, and we're gonna get our glue stick. Oh, it's a little stuck. And just glue on the tabs. The instructions do say white glue, but I'm thinking that this glue will dry a little bit faster. So we'll fold maybe that edge in and press. Might have to come back and do this with some white glue or some school glue because it is a shiny paper. Okay, there we go. That side's done. Put some glue along here. Oh, I just dropped the glue. There we go. Stick and stick. And it's not sticking. I think it's time to replace my glue stick. There we go. And press that. There we go. That's the basic shape of it. I am going to have to go back and use some more glue. But there's our little macaroon box. And we will put that off to the side. And we'll do our little tea bags in just a minute. I'm more excited about making the little macaroons, but I do want to come back to the tea. So the first thing that the instructions are telling us are to roll it out and cut out these little circles. What color, what color, what color? Let's start with the purple and yellow like in the picture. So we're gonna make sure that we have a clean space and open it up. Oh, and it is just like model magic. Oh, look at that, so stretchy. So let's roll it out. Oh, I love this. I love this. It is so soft. Okay. Now it should air dry, but it doesn't actually say anything about air drying. So we're going to want to roll it out. Oh, it's sticking to my paper. Let's roll it, and it's saying to make it super, super tiny, which makes sense. It has to fit into this little tiny box. So we'll roll it out and then cut off the edges. Oh, doesn't want to cut. Okay, let's try that again. This might just be a kit just for, maybe it needs shiny paper. Is it the right size? Yeah, pretty close. I think this might be a kit that is only good. There we go. Let's make a little ball this way. There. It's about the right size. It's a little big. Let's take a pinch off. It's so stretchy. Okay, let's roll it again. Oh, looks like a little lemon. Oh, that is so cute. And that's about the right size of the paper. So we will put that off to the side and do another little ball. It says use a pencil to roll the clay. Okay. So there we have another little one. That's roughly the right size. It's clay. You can do whatever you want. Now let's make our filling. So excited. Let's get this purple one. And we only apparently want just the tiniest little bit. And we're going to roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it. There we go. Now it says to put the purple in the middle. And we'll make like a little tiny macaroon sandwich. And then take our little toothpick. Let's try to pry that open. Ah, I dropped it. It's so small. And just poke little textures all the way around. This is harder than it looks. But there we go. There's our little macaroon. And let's put that onto our little plate. That one did not work very well. Let's do another one. So we'll take some more clay. This time we'll do purple on the outside. And we'll make a little circle. Let's do another one. And make another circle. And they should be roughly the same size. This clay is stickier than Model Magic. That part, I don't know. Now we're going to make another little yellow circle. Maybe this time we'll make it just a pinch bigger. I don't know. Let's roll it and roll it. And then it says to use a pencil to flatten it, but I think we could just use our knife. What do you think? Yeah. Let's use our knife to flatten them. Maybe not. The knife is making them stick. Okay. Put that there and then put the purple piece on top. Oh, this one looks better. It is a little bigger. And then squish, 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 and draw. And then you're going to want to let this air dry. See, it's already starting to push in there. All right, let's move that one out of the way and put that one. Perfect little snack for Barbie. What do you think? Okay, let's move the clay and let's work on this cute little tea bag. So we're going to cut out the tea bag and cut out this little part that says green tea. They gave us 2 little strings, but they only gave us 1 tea bag. So let's go ahead and cut this out. This is a really cute way to make some food for your Barbie dolls. And you could also make this just a little bit bigger out of your own model magic, and you could make one for your American girls. So let's cut this out. I don't like doilies, so I don't think we're going to do that. But you can also just copy this pattern, draw it yourself, and you could make a little tea bag. There's the bag for your American girls. If not, this is the cutest little tea bag for your Barbie. All right, now on the back, it does have where you're supposed to fold and cut. And the same thing with this side, okay? We're gonna take our little string and just glue it and fold it. So let's get our glue stick. And I'm just gonna really just rub the glue on it. And we're going to, if you can follow the little line, there's a spot there. You're supposed to glue it down. We're going to press and just fold it over. Pinch, pinch, pinch. And there's the tag to our tea. Now let's do the same thing with the bottom of the actual tea bag. Let's glue this. Okay, and then we will, again, just glue the string down and fold it over. And we're going to want to try to line it up in the middle. There. So out of this little set, this was $4 at the Dollarama. They did have other ones, make your own little sloth, but I really, really liked this one for Barbie, because once this little macaroon here dries, and we could make it tinier because it is not at that point going to fit in the macaroon box. How's this little box going? Not too well. Let's put a little more glue on it. See if we can get it to stick together so that maybe Barbie can have some macaroons in her grocery store. If your Barbie has a grocery store. No. All right, well, there's our, oh, I just unglued it. There's our little macaroon box, our macaroon, our little table, and my favorite part out of all of this, now my fingers are gluey. There we go. Barbie's cup of tea. And let's not forget her little menu. We can still cut out the lace doilies, and we can actually make our own little snacks out of the leftovers of the clay. You can make as many as you'd like. So here's like a 2-toned one. Ooh, that's where I mixed the purple. This one may actually be a better size. So I mixed the 2 purples, and let's, with the yellow, let's do a little purple center. Maybe we can get one more in this video. What do you think? Okay, let's blend this, blend this. There we go. This one is actually quite smaller. I like it. We'll put that, look at that, 2-toned, delicious, doll-sized macaroons. Nope, once you squish it, it's still pretty big. Okay, let's do the little patterning. Make it look just scrumptious for Barbie. This one's like a strawberry custard or a grape custard. Now she has, oh, I don't want them to touch because they have to air dry. 2 delicious little macaroons on this cute little plate, this cute little cake stand, the menu, and the cup of tea. I am loving the cup of tea. That is just so, so cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.